What's up, buds? Sloss Drone Derby is only about 4 days away. So close. I'll see you in Birmingham, Alabama this Saturday and Sunday with all these prizes from BETAFPV. Man, I got a package from BETAFPV last week and I was stoked to see all the goodies inside. And then I got another package from BETAFPV this week and holy smokes, look at all these drones. We got 7 drones in here. Starting here with the Pavo 20. This is a plug-and-play drone. Add your own video system. It's got cages for 03 and 04. This one is going to be, these two are going to be the Meteor75. This is an analog, ready-to-fly drone. It's got a battery, a charger, ELRS, and analog. It is ready to rip. These are the new Air65 Champions. I'm sorry, Air75 Champions. There's 2. These guys are rippers. This is the super high KV version. Even lighter antenna, lighter everything. I really can't wait to see these guys shred. We got 2 of them here. And then we've got the Air65 Race, 2 of them. These guys are screamers too, only like 16, 17 grams. It's as light as you can possibly get and super fast. Can't wait. And then what else have we got? ELRS transmitters. That's right, there's 2 of them. These are nano bay. It is 2.4 gigahertz, 1 watt. So put that little guy in your radio to upgrade and get yourself all the power you need for ELRS. Need more? ELRS receivers. These are the Super X RX Mono. This is a dual band 2.4 915 megahertz antenna receiver, and there are 10 of them. And there's more frames and frames and more frames. These are the new Air65 brushless frames. So we got a pile of them. We'll be giving away at the Whoop House. If you need to upgrade, you can get you one. Nice and durable, super lightweight. BETAFPV. Thank you so much for your support, BETAFPV. We'll see you all at Sloss Drone Derby this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, April 4th and 5th in Birmingham, Alabama.